Berulangan part 2 ya? Berulangan ya? Looping in a section. Klik itu legend code. Klik the legend code. Nah, and then
Which one?
yeah. I think in exercise for the last exercise for E in range and the last exercise for while.
Exercise while, exercise while,
Last.
and this.
Yeah. Is it easy for you or too hard? Oh, it's finished. Until 30. Okay. Okay, how about the while?
That's
The
supposed
last
to
exercise.
be this one.
Oh, yeah, this one. Do you finish the bonus exercise bonus?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Hmm.
33 to 9, 99, 0. Still can't see
It's
the.
too, yeah, it's 2 minutes, I think. Oh, maybe you can hide the turtle first. So in first line, you add the hide turtle.
Hide uh, space turtle like that.
We don't need space, just hide directly turtle parenthesis.
Like this.
Yeah, that's true. Di akhir, in the last line, you should add parenthesis dalam kurung.
Oh, dalam kurung.
Ya, di akhir banget.
Oh,
Di sini, hide turtle.
like this.
Okay, and because we don't need the line, so you can add also pen up. After hide turtle, add pen up.
I still don't see it.
Pen up, add pen up, hide turtle. Jadi setelah hide turtle, kamu harus nambahin pen up to make the line count. Karena kita nggak butuh garisnya ya. Jadi after hide turtle, enter. Ini new line. Kalau Python itu satu baris satu perintah.
Like this.
Ya, oke. Oh, ada buka tutup kurungnya. Setiap fungsi harus ada buka tutup kurung. Oke, and then ini write selamat total. Nah, itu kan nggak muncul ya di sini. Because we don't need comma atau colon, tapi pakainya plus. Komanya dihapus, terus dipakein plus. Nah, ini nanti akan error itu karena the difference of data type. Nah, because total itu integer, the data type is integer or number, and then write, the function of write, just want to write if the data is string, so you should change the total variable to string. Caranya gimana? Plus after plus add str terus dalam kurung total. Nah, okay. How to make the font is more bigger?
Uh, font equals and parenthesis.
Mhm. Kamu bisa langsung, you can add in a right after total, add comma, and then font equal
Font
after total. Di sini tapi, di dalam kurung pertama. Jadi still inside the parenthesis of right. Nah,
font
koma, koma
comma
dulu. Ya, koma, font equal.
equals. Do I need to
Mhm.
put a parenthesis?
Ya, and
Uh,
then the type of font like Calibri, Times New Romans, pakai ketik. After that, comma again, and then font size
wait, do I put the comma before petik or after petik?
after petik.
Uh,
Font size, okay, and then comma again, and then about the font style, you want a bold, normal, italic, kasih petik juga. Jadi every string atau kayak yang teks-teks itu selalu ada petiknya. Normal. Oke, ini dihapus dulu. I think you add the double font. Nah,
like this.
yes. Oh, we should make to the turtle going to the left. Do you remember how to make the turtle going to the left and then right? What
Uh,
function we need to change the position
go
of
to.
the... Yeah, that's true. After pen up, you should go to...
Like this.
Yeah, and then the number of coordinates x, comma, the number of coordinates y. Going to the left, it means the coordinates of x is minus.
Negative. Thirty. Hmm,
Okay, nice. Okay. Oke, kok nggak muncul ya sekarang?
Sebentar.
Oh, after go to you should add pen down.
Uh,
Tapi coba di zero dulu. Answer zero first. Still doesn't appear. Oh, because the maximum of minus is minus 200. That's the maximum. So the left minus 200 and the right is 200. Hmm. Okay. Okay, finish. So you already submitted. You can save. You submit and continue again. Okay, so that's it about your homework. You already finished all the exercise. I want to know this. You can run first about the bonus exercise. Let's try randomly. 55. Okay. Okay. Can you try like the degrees is 90?
berapa?
90? Okay. Okay, that's work. Submit and continue. And do you have a question about our materials for looping?
No, not really.
Okay, so do you ready for the next lesson?
Yes.
Okay, I will start. Good job for doing all the tasks, Vicky.
Hmm?
I will stop and I will share my screen. Anyways, what is your plan to spend your weekend while
Uh,
climbing? Do you have schedule of while climbing?
I don't really know.
Okay. Wait. Okay. You can see my share screen. So our material of today is looping, a project of looping. So the task or the practice, it will be doing one project. Okay. But before we start, let's make sure that we remember all of the function about looping. What is the looping, or can you tell me what is the concept of looping?
Looping is, looping is to uh, read to do a line of code again and again and again for a limited amount, a limited or a unlimited amount of time.
Okay, that's true. So looping is like the action that will be repeat again and again or repeat in a specific amount. That's true. Okay. And then what kind of function that we can use or that we already learned?
Hmm?
Can
Uh,
you mention about the type of looping that we already learned?
the one I remember is for I in range,
Mm-hmm,
and
that's true.
then parenthesis, and then we could put almost any number.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, so the first type is for E and for in and for A in range. And then the last one is
Mm,
while.
while, so
Yeah.
like while it's still green, you should go forward. But if it's red, stop.
Yeah.
Isn't that like if the if it's uncertain when will it stop?
Yeah. So while it's uncertain looping or we doesn't know how many loop we want to have in our program. Before we already know how many times the action will be repeated.
Kelas.
Okay. This one.
Yes.
Balik kunci
What is
merahnya
our
mana ya?
activity for today? The first one, we have quiz.
Gak ada nih, Bes.
So we will do the quiz for review our materials and then we will create a project of chatbot. Do you know what is chatbot, Kiki?
Gila.
Hi. So what kind of project that we will create? The project is chatbot. Do you know about chatbot, Kiki?
So it's just talking to a robot, isn't it?
Yeah, it can be. So actually, chatbot is chat with robot. So we can ask the robot doing some action. For example, the example of this project is a math chatbot. So the chatbot will be help us about the math things like um, conversion of weather or suhu and then determine the area of shape and then determine the text or just the calculators. Oke, for example, halo, saya adalah chatbot matematika. Saya dapat membantu Anda. Satu, kalkulator. Ada penjumlahan, pengurangan, perkalian, pembagian. Dua, menghitung luas bangun datar. Ada persegi, persegi panjang, segitiga, dan lingkaran. Tiga, ada konversi suhu. Ada Celsius ke Fahrenheit ataupun sebaliknya. Terus kita tanyain, apa yang ingin Anda lakukan? Ketik keluar untuk keluar. Ada pilihannya 1, 2, atau 3. Kalau 1, masukkan operasinya. Mau plus, minus, kali, atau bagi. Terus dimasukin angka pertama keduanya. Miss akan kasih ininya aja ya, contohnya. Wait.
Ya, kan rapi banget, kan dari mana nih?
Ini kenapa sih, guys?
Itu pakai gamis. Itu salat ya? Oke, kalau itu kan kita langsung juga aja ya, sama ini udah berjalan sendiri. Jadi sudah sampai bagian di akhir dan kita hari ini akan lanjutin kelas kita. Dan pasti ada masih
I will stop first and then I will this one. So if I run this like this,
Oh, diinjek makan.
I will add one.
Iya.
Masukkan operasi. I will add plus. Angka pertama 80, 90.
Sekarang ada beda.
Hasil 170. So the program will ask me again and again like, what do you want me to do? I will input 2. A, persegi. Masukkan panjang 90, luas persegi 81.000. And number 3, B. Like this. If I want to stop, I can just put
Keluar nggak sih?
for example like or pilihan tidak valid, something like that. Okay. So actually, you can create anything. I mean, it's not about the math. If you want to add others like chatbot, give you recommendation of holiday.
So it
Or
does not have
recommendation.
to be mathematics.
Yeah. You can add others
Nanti kita bisa lanjut.
theme like you want to create the more joyful chatbot like apa ya, recommendation of food, recommendation of holiday. Depends on the mood. For example, kayak pertanyaan, kamu pengen liburan ke kota mana? Malang, Bali, atau apa gitu. Bisa. Apa makanan favoritmu? Pedas, manis. Kalau manis kamu akan rekomendasiin sesuatu. Atau you can also the game, add games. Kayak contoh, one for recommendation of music, second of fun game, the third of fun quiz or fun fact. It's also something like that. The criteria is at least you have three menus. I mean, like this one is calculator, second one is determine the area of rectangle, and then the last one is confession to me. Okay. And about the code, you should using all the function or all the material that we already learned. For this, we already learned about while, we already learned about if, and then elif, and then if elif again. Okay. Do you have a question, Vicky?
No, not really.
Not really. Okay. You already know what kind of chatbot do you will create?
Maybe.
Okay.
Probably an annoying chatbot.
Okay. Annoying chatbots, no problem. But in the last, if we have, if we still have time, you will be present on your chatbot. If you still didn't finish, we will presentation in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
You can share your screen before we start the project. You should answer some of question first.
Okay.
Click this one.
Itu kan gamenya survival ya Kak. Nah, misinya itu apa tuh Kak? Kalau misalkan di dalam itu.
Next assignment. This one. Mari mengingat.
Bertahan, terus apa lagi?
If you have question, you can ask to me ya, Gigi.
Tadi ya. Sekarang
Miss,
Ya,
Len itu
Atau
apa?
Google gitu sebagai tahu. Assalamualaikum
Plan?
tadi.
Yes.
Plan is for determine the, for example, we have hello. So, amount of character in hello. So, H is 1, A is 2, so 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jadi, len hello itu ada 5.
Kita mau bikin kayak 99 The Forest itu ya. Berarti
Okay, already submitted. Let's check from number 1.
Escape dari monster gitu.
Ada nggak yang yang ragu, yang dikira ragu?
Yang ini sih.
Manakah di bawah ini yang merupakan fungsi dari string? Yang merupakan fungsi bawah ini yang merupakan fungsi dari string. Actually, the answer is fine. So function of string is len, and then we have find, lower. We already learn about that in lesson 3. Jadi kayaknya karena udah lama dan jarang dipakai, jadi kamu lupa. Ada lagi?
Tidak ada.
Ada. Okay, no problem. Let's continue. Nah, this is the project. You can adjust the name. Jadi kamu boleh bikin chatbot tentang apapun. Intinya, at least you have 3 menu and using all the function. You should using looping and selection condition if Aleph. Okay.
Apa tuh? Hello guys. You
can improve the project.
Yo, who you are?
Do you have a question, Diki?
Kamu siapa?
No.
No, okay.
Ini kita
Good luck.
main begitu. Tanyain aja kayak gitu boleh.
Oh yeah, you can add something like print, hello, I'm the chatbot, and then you can ask the name like, what is your name? Terus nanti chatbotnya bisa nyapa kayak, halo Diki, halo Resa, kayak gitu juga boleh. Kalau kamu ada kalimat yang gunain petik 1, jadi di sini ya, itu pakai petik 2. Ya, kalau kamu gunain petik 2, di awalnya pakai petik 1. Dibalik-balik kecil.
I'm the guys. Atau aku adalah aku adalah ganjil.
Nah, oke. Nice.
Kalau misalnya minta sekarang nggak bisa ya. Saya mungkin bisa cepat ya.
Hmm.
Jadi cara aku mengalahkan
And
monster
then
yang ada di sini.
using mobile.
Cara aku keluar dari sini.
But don't forget, after a while, you should add input again to make the program doesn't stop or buggy.
I know.
Okay, fit live.
If Miss,
Nah, itu
Ya.
bisa bang. Jadi nanti ada beberapa pertanyaan.
how do I use while? So like
Naikin
while score
Actually-
is lower than 50.
Actually, you should add while first after what to do. So while after what to do,
So enter like this.
before if
Oh,
before if.
Boleh. Ya udah satu dulu.
While what to
Oke,
do.
jadi gitu.
For example, you want to make stop using zero. So while
Ya, apa?
what underscore to do is not
Oke, next.
equal zero.
no, not what to do. Score.
Jadi Anda akan bisa aset ya kali ini.
Score. Okay. What kind of condition do you want?
So it's kind of like point. For every question you get right, you will get a point. For every question you get wrong, you will lose a point.
Okay. So actually, if something like that, you don't need while. You just if what to do.
Coba cari aja gitu.
Score off. You should start with zero. Score is zero. And then if kayak intinya ketika jawaban dari pengguna itu benar, maka skornya ditambah satu. Caranya itu skor plus equal zero. Itu cara nambah skornya. Tapi you should add if first. Kondisi apa? What condition that can make your scores increase?
Ini kali ya.
I think you should add question first. Answer the question.
Nah, ini kali ya masuk kita ya. Oke. Nah,
Okay, then let's Miss,
Yeah.
do I use double equal or just one equal? If
Double
question
equal.
okay,
Lebih
double equal. Uh, hmm.
You can just use like
terus gimana
dalam kurung, kemudian 22 plus 33 dibagi 5. Nanti programnya yang akan ngitung sendiri.
kalau kita udah pilih dia kalau kita udah
Like this.
dia sudah bilang Bang Asep
Ya, and then after
how
it,
do I kill you ya
titik 2, and then score plus, kan ini nambah ya, nambahnya itu di plus 1. And then you need a first step. Nah, di situ plus dan 1.
Bang Asepnya apa
I want to like make it loop again
si developer
until score equals 10 or something like that.
Oh ya, bisa. You can do that. So after score, you can add while. Score
Under
equal while.
No,
while
Score
oke sampai di sini aman ya. Nah,
until
kan ada pertanyaan bersama
Hah?
sampai berapa tadi pengennya? 10?
10.
So while score is not equal, you say is not equal.
di sini
Yes.
tambahin lagi dia
So
langsung
Not
that
equal.
means it uses
Seru, tanda seru.
this like this.
Ya, equal 10.
Indonesia sekitar gitu.
Titik 2.
Wait.
Klik, guys, berarti ada yang aset. Nah, sekarang ada 2 ya. Itu cuma
Like
satu.
this.
Tadi udah developer.
Yes.
Jadi,
Enggak,
ya,
kurang
caranya
dari
gimana
situ.
biar ada
Iya, bisa sih kayak gitu
bersamaan?
juga bisa.
Caranya biar ada
Titik
bersamaan, berarti
Titik 2.
And then the question and if should be at first step again. Agak lebih masuk semuanya.
Nah, kalau misalkan mau lanjutan, berarti setelah ini kita klik tanda-tanda, tambahin dialog poin itu adalah lanjutan. Kalau misalkan mau bikin cabang, yang ada nggak perlu bikin lanjutan, kayak gitu aja. Sekarang kita coba dulu tes dulu, Pak. Silakan dialog tes tentang makasih tadi ya.
Okay, let's do. Oh, so if you want to make the scores increase, so score plus equal 1.
Itu lagi update ya. Oke.
Like this.
Yes. After that, if the question you want to make how many questions?
2 question.
Okay, you should add it again. After that,
Like this over here.
sejajar sama if yang atas.
Like this.
Wait. I cannot see your cursor actually. Yeah, that's true. Add question again. Question for
Apa tuh?
Question equal ENT
Itu sama dengan siapa?
PNPUT.
Oh, kenapa lemes nggak? Ini sama siapa?
Let's make this one extra annoying.
Kalau itu kan nggak
Yeah,
tahu
you
sih,
can do that. No problem.
karena nggak ada di tim developernya. Oh, kreatornya itu sih.
Times 3 divided by 7 plus
Yes, betul. Boleh sambil share screen gitu?
Ada bakat di depan, guys.
20.
Ya. Ini output yang di bawah ditutup.
Okay,
Hmm.
the first one was easy. This one, myself don't know the answer.
Okay. It's too hard.
If Control C, Control V.
Ini siapa?
Wait, miss. There is a kurung inside. Is it still safe? Will it still work?
Yeah, still work. Yang penting kurungnya itu ada pasangannya.
Hmm.
So if you have to kayak dua pembuka kurung, kamu harus punya dua penutup. Itu nggak akan error.
Okay. So if this is done, that means I go to this elif, right?
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm mute. Yeah, you can add alif for. Oh. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, you can add alif. What you do equal 2.
Now draw a circle, a circle, a circle. Okay. Okay. Oh wait, I have something. Almost B and Mhm. Enter. Hmm. It's a project, mini project, taking quite a while.
Do you have a question, Vicky?
Hmm?
Do you have a question?
No.
No. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you already finished two menu. The first one is playing games. So playing game, I think it's more than game because it's too hard for a game.
It is the
Usually
annoying
play.
chatbot.
Yeah, okay. You say that playing game, but suddenly the user should answer hard question about math, but no problem. After that, I think because the menu of this still I don't know, so you should change. Maybe in other time you got some idea, and then don't forget to add while. So what to do answer, what underscore to do input should be repeat again and again. Okay, so don't forget to add while on that.
Huh?
Okay. Yeah.
Wait, isn't uh, isn't it like after the the like what we ask, it will loop again, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So after you finish if alif equal to and then if alif equal 3, you should ask again the input what to do again and
So how do I
again.
do that?
To make it again and again, you should add one.
Like
I will give you example in. So after what to do, you should add while. While what to do is not equal, for example, you want make zero for stop. So while what underscore to do is not equal zero.
I see. So
Okay, do you get it?
I should write Wile.
Azam
Yeah.
bikin maps-nya ya setelah ini ya. Azam jadinya mau bikin
Mhm.
game apa tadi?
Uh,
Bikin maps gitu ya.
what
Silakan
to
setelah itu.
do
Terus mau bikin
Is not equal
that means
tidak
this.
seru sama dengan nol.
Iya, lebih luas.
Ada petik nol.
Kita mau bikin seluas apa deh?
Ada students.
Like this.
Yeah, you can do that.
Jadi Azam ada yang mau ditanyakan?
Titik dua di akhir.
Tidak ada ya. Oke, kita ketemu di next class
So
ya.
that means I need to
Mas Azam sekarang lagi di sini Pak.
like this.
Ya, untuk semuanya. Oke.
Ada PR hari ini?
Okay, so because our time is up and my next students are already entered the Zoom, thank you for coming in this class today. Dicky, we can
Yes.
still continue our lesson in the next meeting, which is tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
You, I hope you can finish it before our next class.
Gitu sih.
If you have question, you can chat on me by WhatsApp. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Dicky. See you.
Ya, so thank you for today.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Miss.
So do I leave?
Ya, boleh? We'll
Size. Enter. Else. Hmm. Kore.
Kalau kakakmu minggat maling ngompi.
Oh, enter. Oh, I see. One. Aku lagi ngerjain tugas. Line 22. Hah? Okay, then let's see. Seriously. Why won't it work though? But seriously, isn't